I am Harsh Arya and I am the director of United Group of Companies, which is the implementation partner for Coursera program for the entire state of Odisha. And you will be happy to know this is my 103rd seminar which I am doing with the students. We have already more than 80,000 learners on board who are learning on Coursera, and one of the top few colleges, the Government Women's College, Keonjhar, is one of the top few colleges of the Odisha state who has been given this opportunity to use this license. And after talking to the principal and after seeing the response from the students here, now I know why. Now I know why Government Women's College, Keonjhar, is among the top few colleges of the state. A huge round of applause for all of you. Saying that, let me give you a brief background about myself, my educational background, which actually emphasizes on what principles are already said कि plain आपका जो अभी डिग्री है वो उतना काम नहीं आएगा unless and until आप कुछ advanced certification उस पे ना करें, unless and until आप extra digital skill के courses ना करें. So I am born and brought up in Rourkela, Odisha. I was the state topper during my class 12. I did my BCom honors from Shri Ram College of Commerce, Delhi University. Post that, I did my MBA from Xavier Institute of Management, Bhubaneswar. In spite of doing BCom from the Asia's top college, from doing MBA from one of the top 20 colleges of the country, still in 2014 when I passed my post-graduation MBA, I felt that the plain BCom degree or the plain MBA degree may not be able to give me or may not be able to give me the sufficient career choices which I want. In order to get extra certifications, I even went to London School of Economics, went to ISEC School of Management, France, so that I can stand out of the crowd, I can do the extra certifications apart from the generic plain BCom or the MBA degree, which apart from me, several other thousand students were also getting. Keeping this thing in mind, this Coursera digital skills platform has been provided to select colleges of the state of Odisha because the government of Odisha somehow felt the need in order to provide you all a global scaling platform where you can do courses from multinational companies and universities sitting at the comfort of your college and at the comfort of your home. Now tell me something, from 2014 to 2025, has the competition increased or decreased? अगर मुझे 2014 में एक्स्ट्रा सर्टिफिकेशन की जरूरत पड़ी to stand out of the crowd, it helped me. I worked with Wipro, I worked with Deloitte, I worked with ICICI. They all welcomed me with open arms because I had those extra certifications, those extra skill sets which the rest of the crowd didn't have. यही चीज को ध्यान में रख के in order to just continue what you all said, competition जो बढ़ गया है, the state government of Odisha, Odisha State Development Authority, the Department of Higher Education has selected the top few colleges to provide this license free of cost to you. The actual cost of this license is more than 40,000 rupees. जो आपको free of cost दिया जा रहा है, and each license, जो एक license आपको मिलेगा, you can do the entire gamut of 6,000 plus courses which is there. जो एक student ने already कहा, be it any domain, science, arts, commerce, soft skills, आप जो भी डोमेन से बिलोंग करते हो उसके कोर्सेज आप यहाँ पढ़ सकते हो. Active 24/7 online, it's available every time for you. Now to start off with the presentation, let me give you a brief about what Coursera is all about, what it is actually doing across the world, across the country India, and in our own state Odisha. Coursera is the world's beta partners. This is what makes Coursera unique. This is why Coursera is being chosen as a digital skills platform for the state of Odisha. ये जो 300 educator partners है, these are these multinational universities, global recognized universities, be it University of London, Yale, San Diego, Michigan, be it companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Siemens, Salesforce, means be it any domain, उस leader का कोर्स यहाँ पर आप कर सकोगे. बहुत लोग पूछते हैं ना क्यों Coursera, why Coursera? This is the reason for Coursera. You not only do the courses depending on your interest, depending on your skill set, depending on the domain you are studying, you also get the certifications from these companies and from these universities which adds on to your credentials. In industrial terminology, जो certifications मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ उसको माइक्रो क्रेडेंशियल के नाम से जाना जाता है. ग्लोबल स्किल वर्कफोर्स रिपोर्ट जो ग्लोबली पब्लिश किया जाता है उसमें ये भी पाया गया है your job getting opportunities increases by around 40 to 50% when you have the micro credentials in your resume. यही सारे सर्वे को, यही सारे रिसर्च को ध्यान में रख के आफ्टर मल्टीपल राउंड ऑफ मीटिंग्स विद द सीनियर ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द स्टेट के बाद ये लाइसेंस आप तक आया है और हम लोग आप तक आए हैं इन ऑर्डर टू एजुकेट यू ऑल अबाउट दिस डिजिटल स्किल प्लेटफॉर्म. एंड द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट, जैसे मैंने आपको बता दिया कि इंडिया में 2.5 करोड़ लर्नर्स है, ओडिशा स्टेट में ऑलरेडी 85,000 लर्नर्स इस पे पढ़ रहे हैं. एंड हमने ये देखा है कि कोई भी एक कोर्स नहीं करता. वंस दे स्टार्ट डूइंग वन कोर्स दे एंड अप डूइंग 4 5, इवन few of them have even completed 90 to 95 courses. क्यों? Because of the content. Content is designed in such a way that it captures your interest, it keeps your skill level at par with the content which they are showing. जहां पर आप 2 लाख से ज्यादा क्लिप्स देख सकते हो, कोई भी एक टॉपिक का अगर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए 5 से 10 मिनट का होता है, एंड दीज आर ऑल वेरीफाइड एंड जेन्युइन. यहाँ पर आप 6,500 प्लस कोर्सेज कर सकते हो जो 4 to 6 वीक्स का होता है. मोरओवर यू हैव अराउंड 3,400 प्लस प्रोजेक्ट्स जो हैंड्स ऑन प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, गाइडेड प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, व्हिच हेल्प्स यू लर्न टूल्स लाइक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल, फोटोशॉप, कैनवा एंड ऑल. The interesting part is because of the way the content is being designed, the interest level of the students remain intact. यहाँ पर आपके जो level of courses होते हैं, starts with beginner, you want to intermediate, then you go on to advanced. ताकि at par with the courses आपका skill level भी enhance हो पाए और आप उसे अच्छे से समझ पाए. Because of this content design, the number of courses done by each student is minimum 4 to 5. Even since there is a LearnerCon award going on, the participation is going on, the highest number of completions by the students will also get the award from the state government of Odisha. And the highest number of registration and completions college level, the SPOC and principal gets the award from the state government. So we have even seen students completing 100 to 150 courses in the period of 4 to 5 months. Now to move on, let me ask you a quick question, जो कि प्रिंसिपल सर ने, हमारे नोडल ऑफिसर सर ने आप लोगों को बोला कि कोर्सेरा क्यों जरूरी है, वो उसको और एम्फसाइज कर देंगे. हम सब ने लैंडलाइन फोन देखा है जो वायर से कनेक्ट होता था, यूज्ड टू डायल एंड कॉल. मेरे एक बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है आप लोगों से, उस लैंडलाइन फोन को पूरे वर्ल्ड में 10 करोड़ यूजर्स तक पहुंचने के लिए आपके हिसाब से गेस करेंगे आपके हिसाब से कितना टाइम लगा होगा? मैं आप बताना चाहेंगे प्लीज. 2 साल, 10 साल, 20 साल, आपके हिसाब से कितने साल लगेंगे? 2-3 साल. ओके मैम, आप बताना चाहेंगे प्लीज, आपके हिसाब से कितने साल लगे होंगे? आप कोई भी बता, आप बता दीजिए. 2 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल, कितने साल लगेंगे? 10 साल. सो हमने देखा जिनसे भी मैंने पूछा 10 या 10 उन्होंने कहा